is Saturday and it's beautiful out, and I just went to my favorite coffee shop, Hyde Park, on the north end, and got a big coffee here. Let's see if I can show that to you right here. So it's my favorite coffee. I get it once a week, and it is a white chocolate mocha. And then I'll have a couple of eggs and a couple pieces of toast for my breakfast. So I usually, sometimes I fry the eggs and sometimes I do like a poached egg. So just depends, but I have a meeting this morning, so I might not show my breakfast, but it's just 2 basic eggs and 2 pieces of Dave's Killer Bread toast. So nothing too exciting. But anyway, I will be sharing my lunch with my girlfriend. We're going out for lunch at Yard House. So I'll be sharing that later. Okay, bye. My friend Anita did not want to say hello. She's a little shy, but the Cobb salad with shrimp was very good. Well, I picked up dinner today, and it is a salad from Co-op, and then I had leftovers from my lunch, so I put that on top. This is a ginger tofu bowl from the Co-op. So it has some egg and tofu, of course, cucumber, tomatoes, cabbage. So yeah, it should be really good, and that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. Well, it's a beautiful day outside. I've been working in storage, trying to find an item, and I did go to the gym, and I did a light leg and chest workout. And so I'm gonna have a little curry chicken wrap, and I will show you that. So this is the little wrap I'm gonna have. Very tasty. I'll probably just eat this one. Okay, so I'm a little late getting my dinner in. It was a busy day, but I'll show you what I come up with. I'm gonna finish eating a little bit of quinoa that I have here, and then I put in some Mediterranean crunch salad mix, and then I added some raspberries, and I think I'm gonna have some bone broth, home style. It's really easy to make. You just add it to hot water and drink it, and it's very healthy for you, 70 calories. And so if you don't know about bone broth, just look it up, but it's a really good healthy drink to have. And then if I'm still hungry, which I probably will be, I will finish my curried chicken wrap. So that's gonna be my dinner. And then, like I said, I'll get with you off and on through the week as I make changes and let you know how I'm doing. So I wanted to give you an update. I weighed today, and I was up on my weight, and I could have swore that I was down because I felt so much lighter. So I know I am getting thinner, but yeah, the scale was up. So anyway, I thought I'd let you know what I'm eating today. So here I'm going to broil some vegetables, and then over here I have turkey breast patties. And I get all turkey breast, ground turkey. So that is my update, and I think I'll weigh again in the morning and see if things have changed. I also feel like maybe I do need to up my calories a little bit, and tomorrow will be high protein, and so that'll also help keep my body changing. So as far as portions, I'll probably eat all the vegetables that I showed you, and I'll have one turkey patty, and then I'm gonna have a slice of sweet potato, which is done right now. So yeah, it's funny how our weight will go up and down, but that's how your weight will shift and change. I was down couple pounds the next day, so that's great. And then I wanted to share here these muffins that you can eat for breakfast or lunch. And they're just easy and they're great to warm up. So I will leave the recipe down below in the description. And if you would, please like and subscribe, and I will get more videos out for you. Okay, thanks.